Hello everybody, welcome back to As well. We have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and upload a full reel on your Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, what you're going to do, you're first of all simply gonna go ahead and access your Instagram. Once you've done so, you can find this kind of interface, right? So for that matter, let's say there is a particular reel that you would like to post. You go to your profile, go to your reel section, and you're gonna go ahead and download your particular reel. So once you have downloaded it, it's gonna simply be saved in you. So your first option simply will be simply for you to download a particular story or reel for you to add in your story with your sound over there. And then afterwards, you're going to go back to your profile, tap on this plus icon, and go to the story section and upload that particular story from your gallery itself. Once you have done so, your story will be there, and make sure to even link your original reel link, so they can, if it's incomplete, they can come back to your original and can see it through. That would be it. But if you would like to go just browsing through your reels, you would like to post a reel that you connect with, resonate with, and if you want to share it, apparently this will be according to Instagram itself. It will only show to the much that, however, the time much it allows for you to show it. Other than that, that won't be it. If you are worried about the download your particular reel and it will have the Instagram watermark, you can copy a little bit and upload it on your story. That would be the way for you. And yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.